Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing? I'm JacobViral. And this your system?
It is.
Awesome. I come to check it out, if that's all right. Could you tell me your name and what all you want to say is?
Oh, Nisha Jones. I do it because of my husband. My husband's over there.
Okay.
And we just do this together.
Nice. Do you know all's in here?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on, I got it written down.
All right, that's all good.
So, I've got 4.8-inch sundowns, LCMRs, 2 6.5 sundowns, LCMRs in the doors, 2 12s in the back, 12-inch sundowns, SAV2s. I have a tar amp free on my subs, a tar amp HD 3K on my 8s and my doors. I have a 320 amp JS alternator.
Okay.
And paired with a 96 amp hour midway bank.
Okay. You know where the battery's at?
It's under my spare tire.
Under the box.
Under
Okay.
the box,
Got it.
spare tire.
Very nice. All right. Do you know your box tuning?
Oh no, I don't.
It's okay.
No.
It's all right. Who built the box?
Cody.
Cody.
Cody
Okay.
Hoover. Yeah.
And what vehicle is this?
It's a 2016 Jeep Compass.
Jeep Compass. All right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for the info.
Yeah.
So I'd love to hear it.
All right.
Nice. And you're, oh, sorry. Are you able to put your seats up and down the way they have it laid out?
They are. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. So family oriented.
Yeah.
There we go. I like it. Is there a way you can open the back and show me how it looks? Very nice. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's fun. I love the passion. Very nice. I like the box. This looks really good. A unique style to be able to have a baffle and then a curved baffle behind it. So, who built this? You said?
Cody.
Cody. Okay. Really nice. So you have a 3,000 watt RMS on 2 of the SAs. Nice. It's really good. You ever have any box vibration movement issues, or is it mounted to the spot?
No, it doesn't move. It's not mounted.
It isn't. It just doesn't move. Solid box. Very good job.
Soul. Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the face? I didn't live it.
All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? That's my heart. Dying. Don't you do MC, make another hit. This is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want. city. Like yours, but you're ready. Bring her money to the top. Nigga, the bay won't ride. Tell the paparazzi get the names off. Ride the window downtown, girl. Got the hazard on like Gunshot. You can catch me, hey, in the new LaFerrari. And the truck behind me got all. Yeah, long and hella bump from the years and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, my lemonade, I was afraid. Once a nigga graduate, would I be okay? Got the spark and chase, nigga, bounce off. Why you speakers in the face? Bounce off. Why you speakers in the bounce off? Why you speakers in the face? Bounce off.
That's a really good song for the frequency response on the subwoofer. Really nice job. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
Wow. Pretty impressive. You come in here and you're like, well, didn't expect what to see, and you see 212s in here. So yes, ma'am. What was your name?
Nisha.
Nisha, Jacob.
Yes.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.